equivalent to 5 times the normal regular pad. So this is what we have, the new pad, which is the Whisper Ultra.
And also the wings. Let's not forget the wings.
Yes.
The wings have
The
saved us
wings.
on many an occasion.
The wings.
Okay, here we believe in not just talking, the show us how this technology works. So can we move to the demo zone and you can much more absorbent.
Absolutely.
And so much more effective. In fact, 5 times more effective than an ordinary sanitary pad.
You know, this is the AGM or the magic gel. I call it the magic gel. So what I'm going to do is just put in the amount of gel that is there in a normal pad. So we put in 2 spoons of gel. The blue blood, the royal blood, okay? And this is what a normal woman, menstruating normally would produce. So what we do is, I'm going to pour it into this gel. And what will happen is, while we are chatting, and this gel will completely absorb it. It's totally like a magic gel. So if you see, actually I think it's less than what it should be. So the wall, actually it is more, you can see that it doesn't rip at all. And this, totally, that's what it's called, the magic gel. And this is the amount of fluid which a woman will have if she has heavy periods. So I'm going to add even this fluid to this gel. There are a lot of girls who have heavy periods, heavy flow. And so then they get traumatized that how do we take care of this? There should be no staining. And I think this is the answer to it. If you see, yes.
Magic, that's a magic trick you just did for us, and that's because of that.
The magic gel,
Magic
AGM
gel.
it's known as. So I think, that's why we wanted to demonstrate, absolutely. And actually when I was looking, I had actually poured in half a bottle of nearly 250 ml into it, and it was amazing. So this gel actually increases the absorbency and allows you to be absolutely free.
I want to do that.
Unstoppable. Yeah, don't get scared.
Oh, it's a bit scary. You think something's going to come out, but it's all soaked in.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is the amount of the magic gel that's in each
pad.
In each pad.
Absolutely.
So other pads don't have this magic gel. Is that what you're saying? Or they have lesser quantities of it? Or how?
Technically, I know our pad has this,
Okay.
and it's good.
Okay, so this is the technology that keeps the pad dry, that keeps it absorbent and gives 5 times better protection than any ordinary pad. I want to give a round of applause for this great gel.
I think so.